Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying service and backing up important messages. This prevents accidental loss. Open the phone app and go straight to the voicemail tab so you see current messages. If messages matter, save or share them now. Use share or export to files. Once done, make sure your iPhone is connected to cellular or Wi-Fi and that carrier voicemail is active. Otherwise, deletions may not sync properly. Now you're ready to remove individual items or clear everything. You'll remove messages either one by one or in bulk. Swipe left on a single voicemail and tap delete for fast removal. For several messages, tap edit, check each item you want gone, then tap delete to remove them in one action. Make sure to use save or export first if you need an archive. Deleted messages can be unrecoverable after purge. Once you delete, give the app a moment to sync with your carrier so server copies update correctly. To finish, open deleted messages and choose Erase All to permanently remove content from device and carrier. If deleted messages still show, restart your iPhone and toggle airplane mode to force a fresh network connection and voicemail sync. Make sure iOS 18 is up to date. System bugs can affect voicemail display. If problems persist, contact your carrier to clear server-side voicemail or reset your mailbox. This fixes most lingering entries. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves stuck messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.